Good day, everyone. Learn how to check whether your phone supports eSIM or not. So basically, we need to open the settings first. And there, if you find anything related to SIM, well and good. And as I can see in the connections, I have the SIM manager. But by any chance, if you do not find it, you can always search it. So here, the search option is there. You can simply type SIM and you will find SIM manager. Now, the moment you click on that, you will have options of eSIM as well. So once I searched it and I found add eSIM. So that means Samsung Galaxy S24 do support eSIM, and there are many more phones which supports. So if you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.